हेलो एवरीबॉडी। होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल। आज के सेक्शन में हम बात करेंगे पॉइंट एंड नॉन पॉइंट सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशन. दिस इज अ टॉपिक which is covered under multidisciplinary course in the NEP syllabus semester third, and this topic is very important from exam point of view because इसके ऊपर 1 mark question बनता है जहाँ पे पॉइंट सोर्स क्या है और नॉन पॉइंट सोर्स क्या है उसकी डेफिनेशन आ सकती है. एंड लाइकवाइज इस पे एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन भी बन सकता है. So let's see what is point source of water pollution. As the name suggests, point, it means that the pollutants जो है they are discharged from a single identifiable location such as a pipe from a factory or it can be a sewage treatment plant. यानी कि जो origin है जहां से pollutants release हो रहे हैं, that origin is a single point, that is a point source. और वो we can easily relate to it, we can easily identify it. इसमें examples हैं like wastewater discharge from a sewage treatment plant, industrial waste from a factory or it can be an oil refinery or a power plant. Similarly, accidental oil spills from a ship, leaking pipes, or it can be discharged from underground coal mines. वहीं जो नॉन पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशंस हैं, यहाँ पे पोल्यूटेंट्स जो हैं दे ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम अ लार्ज डिस्पर्स्ड एरिया एंड it cannot be traced to a single source. So we cannot find out कि लीकेज कहाँ से है, कहाँ से pollutants originate हो रहे हैं. The water flows over the land or through the earth, picking up pollutants before they enter a water body, and hence they pollute the water. इसमें examples हैं, for example, urban runoff, ठीक है, कि ऑयल है, टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स हैं which are spilled over onto the streets या कहीं पार्किंग लॉट में इकट्ठे हों, which are washed by rain and they find their source into the water bodies. So that is called as urban runoff. Similarly, agricultural runoff, where excess fertilizer, pesticides, and herbicides are washed from the farms and enter into the water bodies. Similarly, the oil erosion can be another example because sediments from improperly managed crops and forest lands, ठीक है, वहां से soil they find it way into the water body. Then eroding soil from the construction sites, farms and forests. This is again a non-point source of water pollution. Likewise, atmospheric deposition. Very important example. The pollutants from the air that come down to the Earth's surface as acid rain and settle in the water bodies, livestock and pet waste. ठीक है, इसमें जो बैक्टीरिया है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हैं, इनके जो पेट की ड्रॉपिंग्स वगैरह में, they can be washed by the running water and can enter into the water bodies. It can be acid drainage from abandoned mines. So these are certain examples of non-point sources of water pollution where the origin is from a large area and not from a single point source. So if I summarize, the key difference is that पॉइंट सोर्स जो है उसका सिंगल ओरिजिन होगा जिसको हम इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं एंड हेंस इट बिकम्स इजियर टू मॉनिटर एंड रेगुलेट इट. हाउएवर, नॉन पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन डिस्पर्स्ड होते हैं, दे आर हार्डर टू पिन पॉइंट. एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से ओरिजिन हो रहा है वो नहीं पता लगता एंड सो मैनेजमेंट it becomes very difficult to because of their widespread nature. So, जो point sources of pollution हैं, they are easier to control as compared to non-point sources of water pollution. Thank you and stay blessed.